Mga pinagsisihan niya yung in-order niya. Pinagsisihan niya. Mother, oh, sasakay na siya ng Super Ferry.
Super Ferry.
Super Ferry. Yeah, we will do cruising. Magko-cruise kami. Ay, malamig. Dinner na kami. Ha? Dinner dyan? Oh, let's... Ala, kansaw yali doon yun.
Yan piso din yes. Yan piso and yes.
Ganyan, mother. Brandon, you will see a lot of Filipinos here. Malayo tayo, parang malayo. Maganda rin sa ano view eh, gano'n oh. Yung view sa sea.
Ayan ang kids pool. Diyan ka muna, Mang. Iwanan ka muna namin.
Dito siya oh, sa harap ng ano, swimming pool.
Ako si Jack. Jack fell down. Ayan na. Wag daw yung muka, yung view.
Ang gali ng mukha, Ignard.
Ayan na. Mga first time sa cruise.
Ayan o, yung paano no? Bawin ni na, yan dyan.
Actually, malapit lang kami dito sa port. Mga 15 minutes away, pero first time namin mag-cruise.
Yeah, first time.
Kasi hindi pa kami, convinced. Ayan.
Dapat doon o may... Mamaya no? Pag nasa gitna, dapat maganda yun.
Oo.
Golf. Mag-golf na lang lang po yan eh.
Doors are not yet ready for your attention.
kayo?
I did. I don't know where the other two went.
Tingnan mo daddy mo, nasaan? Nandyan siya, o yung ulo niya nakikita. Nag-gym kayo?
Abaho ka rin ta?
Makakahilo naman po yung dito ngayon.
I know.
Mas maganda ba tong art na to kaysa yung pinuntahan mo?
Yeah.
Ito maganda. Colorful. Ah, very nice oh.
Very nice.
Very nice. Wow, maganda dito. Relaxing dito oh. Wow, ayaw mo magpa-picture dito. Ganda oh.
Hanapin muna natin for
Parang ano to, Galaxy yan.
Yeah.
Nga, ganda pa yung sound. Ayan na, yung tour guide namin, nawawala. Kamot ulo na siya oh.
Titigilan.
Ah, ganon?
Ah. Ang naisip niya, ito nakakatawa na I'll go with it for the whole day.
Oo. Hindi sumasagot.
Set up mo ginong agad.
Dito na kami kwarto namin.
Hindi, nakikita mo na dapat ako eh. Bakit yung kay Ayan wala?
Ha?
Birayo.
This is our room. Two room.
Mag-wall climbing daw si Kuya. Yan. Sa pinakadulo, Kuya. How about you, Brandon? Wanna try it?
You're funny. You like that.
Oh, you look like a Spider-Man.
Oh,
You
like
should
Tom
try.
Holland?
Yeah. You should try it. Probably that's your talent.
I'm good. It says the max weight is 310 pounds. You know, I'm kind of big.
He's struggling. He's struggling. Yeah. We'll see how far he can go. You can do it, Brandon. Come on.
And sabi ko tayo,
People, come on the dance floor.
We're getting a lot.
Dito si mama nandiyan na siya.
It's your moment. Like, well, you can also do it, you know? I see one lady, yes, there you are. My friends in the hot tub, yeah.
Sumayaw ka na, para sulit.
Yan na. Mahangin.
So, ano nang pinili mo, kuya?
Prime rib.
Wow.
First night always is little bit here and there. About that.
Ito yung first menu natin for first dinner.
Why? Bakit may ilaw ito?
Yeah, no, we're not fine. I saw this story about a kid and his like friend there and like picking us down here. And then like he ate it. Like he didn't think anything of it. And then like the parasite went to his brain. Yeah, I feel like I'm being like pushed down. I'm just gonna stick to this steak. Because I feel like
Dining.
maging steak na sila ba?
Yours is
Social yung palpader eh.
Bad.
no, yours is really good.
I told you. Eat the snail, eat the snail.
Oh.
Here we go. May combination eh, ganito.
Kay kuyang mukhang walang kwenta daw.
Suso.
Ay, wow. Thank you.
Yan lang tayo? Dalawa?
Hindi,
Yan. Suso. Tapos ano? Ano yung ketchup?
Yeah, no, it's good.
What you have?
It's so good. Thank
KFC?
you.
Is it good?
Ayan, got steak. What you got, Brandon?
Thank you.
Steak too? Mami, what's that? Fish? Steak too? Mami, what's that? Fish?
And steak for us.
No. Yep.
Whose is this?
I guess they broke mine.
May sauna pala dito. Sarap pala mag-cruise. First time.
Tingnan nga natin ang dagat. Nakatakot mo.
Aquí gato estaba, bien fuerte. Que necesita pasar.
So, ibig sabihin, nag-ano, maalon siya.
No, dito pasan sila manggatsi.
Day 2. Look at that. It's scary. Is it like we're so fast, or that's just the wind? I
actually don't. Maybe both.
Looks like we're so fast.
Yeah, I think we're going. No, the ship is going like really fast. Sprinting to the Bahamas.
No, but Bahamas should be just nearby. We should be there already. I think.
Bago kaya ako maligo, mag-gym ako. Yeah.
Patingin.
Yeah,
ano?
Init-init yung katawan.
Parang may
Parang
light
merong
blue.
Light blue. So,
Tapos yan eh
malaki ang gym nila eh. Malaki.
dark blue.
Mag-gym tayo lang.
Pero what yan ay uno-unoer, pajama.
Oo. I don't think so.
Siya yung kapatid ata.
Walking after breakfast. Maganda sana to kung maaraw. Oh. Buka nga maulan pa, pero mamaya
Malaki doon na. Parang nag-treadmill lang siya para mag-picture eh.
na.
Simbahan. Papais pa daw sila.
Order lang ng order yan ng ano, drinks oh. Sana nag-complimentary na lang siya. Masulit pa yata. Takbo na mag-jacuzzi.
Ito yung side ng boat, yung lalakas ng alon. Ewan ko, dapat kalmado na dapat ang dagat ngayong December, eh ngayon pa na taon na ganito kalalakas yung alon. Pero kagabi umahampas-hampas pa yan eh. Pero hindi mo halos nararamdaman kasi malaki nga itong ano. Ito yung mga ano nila, lifeboat nila. Ayan. O siya.
Social oh. Fine dining talaga.
Nakakabutong.
Nakakabusog daw. Ganon din sinakuan.
Parang plate.
Mama nga, pinagsisihan niya yung in-order. Pinagsisihan niya. Ang ganda daw ng pangalan, ba't ganon?
Ano? Bakit?
Sabi ni Mama, ang ganda daw. Brandon, same with me. Madero, lugaw. Pero daw ang social ng pangalan, sabi niya masarap kaya yan.
Do you want me to take you a picture, guys?
Okay.
Este, sirami.
Na, tingnan nyo naman yung langit. Oh. Ay, yung ano, labas. Oh, ang taas ng ano. Oh, OMG. Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot na nakaka-relax. Ang galing mag-video. Mag night snack daw siya. Ito, hindi. Ketchup yung palit siya, pati kwa. Pati mayonnaise.
Yeah, mayonnaise anay.
Ha? Hindi, isa pa kulang yan. Aki
Amo yan
lang.
ani, depe.
Wala na to eh. Alas 9, ang dami pang ano, pagkain. Na, ano pwede, Aki, mag-air. Playa, pwede to sakal pwesto ha.
Kaya na sila sa libyan.
Ha? Kuya, halika na. Nakakuha na ako doon. Grabe. Doon ka, oh. Pati nakakuha na.
Cancel yung ano,
Ha?
tamas. Ayaw nila kasi malalong daw. Pero kaya nung captain. Kaya dito lang tayo sa barko today. Ayun yung slide. Galingan mo. Ang galing naman. O, kunin mo to. Oh! O, sige, isa pa. Ako naman pala.
Panalo! Woo! Tahimik lang dito. Kung yung mga taong gusto tahimik lang dito, gusto mo yung crowded doon, maingay doon. Daming pila niya, no? Uy, nakuha isa, Mader. Naano niya isa?
Nakatama ko na. Nakita mo yung isa ng tamaan?
Ah, oo. instruction doon sa dulo. Nag-instruction. Ang galing. Ano nang resulta ng origami ninyo? Tayo. Umalis na yung iba, sumuko na sa simpleng origami. Ang hirap eh, maghanap ng taga-instruct eh, ano, instruction. Gumawa na kami sarili namin. Ako, aeroplano. Si Kuya.
Ano yung tama eh?
Ano yan, Kuya? Si Mother, ano? O siya, yun ang pinakamaganda. O flower, o yan. Ipakita mo yan sa kanila. Mother, si Mamang UFO. Yung UFO mo, Mamang. Tingnan natin yung UFO mo. Ano yun? UFO.
It's like the thing that the kids have.
Yeah. See?
Lakas ng hangin.
One of the experiences that's maliit, mas relax.
Baby. Sir, relax. Sir, relax.
Pansit.
Ano yan sa'yo? Wow.
Ito, pansit.
Yung una na.
Spaghetti yan.
Ha?
What do you have?
Oh, thanks.
Same kami palagi ni Brandon.
You got the steak again?
The pork chop, no beans.
Okay.
The rice is for beans.
Same me and Brandon.
Oh,
Pork
that's
chop.
fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's good.
Caribbean style. There you go.
Gusto ko yan sa'yo. Shrimp. I like shrimp.
I'll get the bread.
Oh. Ayun, ganyan. Oh, yeah.
Yan, bon appetit.
There's a little.
Hmm?
There's a little.
Ah. Hi. Kanino yan? Dalawang biniligay sa'yo, hala. Ubusin mo yan, Mother.
We'll be marching in from deck number 3, 4, and 5.
Go sumen.
Ang dami nito. Dami. Nandun pa sa kabila.
Happy birthday! Someone is celebrating her birthday tonight! Maybe you can help us, okay? In 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy lady! Happy birthday to you! Thank you, thank you! Yay!